Hello. Welcome to my Marquez 86 channel. This video content is about 2022 Yamaha YZF-R7 Supersport Unveiled. To those who have not yet subscribed to my channel, please help me to subscribe my channel. Thank you for support. (2022) Yamaha YZF-R7 Supersport Unveiled. Yamaha Motor Corporation, USA has introduced the all-new 2022 YZF-R7 as its latest model in the Supersport segment.
Built from the ground up with a sleek ultra-thin lightweight chassis. Powered by Yamaha's proven 700cc Class CP2 engine. Enhanced with track-focused Supersport features. Yamaha has a rich heritage of building the most sought-after Supersport motorcycles designed to deliver thrills on and off the track. From the rider-friendly YZF-R3 to the exclusive and track-focused YZF-R1M, the Yamaha R-Series model lineup provides options for riders of all skill levels. Lately, however, the R6 had been long in the tooth, and owing to the ever-increasing emission norms, it was time for an all-new design and engine. The all-new 2022 YZF-R7 bridges the gap between the entry-level YZF-R3 and the top-dog YZF-R1, offering a mid-level option for both new riders looking to grow into a more powerful motorcycle as well as experienced riders seeking a fully fared motorcycle.
689cc CP2 engine. YZF-R7 uses Yamaha's proven 689cc liquid-cooled, 4-stroke, inline 2-cylinder, DOHC-CP2 engine. Forged aluminum pistons with direct plated cylinders integrated with the crankcase makes for lighter weight and excellent strength at higher temperatures, ensuring reliability at higher RPM. The crossplane engine's 270-degree crank provides an uneven firing sequence that Yamaha claims to offer torquey acceleration and linear power delivery for outstanding response at all engine speeds. Additionally, the R7 has an optimized secondary gear ratio. Ultra-narrow lightweight chassis. The YZF-R7's ultra-narrow, high-strength steel frame provides excellent rigidity for a sporty and responsive ride by mounting aluminum center braces near the swing-arm pivot, which improve torsional rigidity. Rake, trail, and wheelbase dimensions have also been optimized for better cornering. The narrow, lightweight frame design has resulted in the slimmest bodywork found in Yamaha's Supersport lineup and reduces air resistance while incorporating the rider's body into its design. Sporty new suspension. The 2022 YZF-R7 features an inverted KYB 41mm front fork with optimized spring rate and damping settings. The product-specific settings make for easy and predictable behavior with a stiff feel for twisty roads and racetracks. The fork is fully adjustable for preload, rebound and compression damping force. They're mounted on the steering tube via a forged aluminum lower triple clamp, and a gravity-cast aluminum upper triple clamp. A link-type monocross single shock with adjustable spring preload and rebound damping does duty at the rear. The rear shock unit is mounted horizontally, fastened to the crankcase for efficient use of space and weight, contributing to mass centralization and further enhancing the R7's compact size. Potent braking power. The 2022 YZF-R7 is equipped with a new Radial Brakemaster cylinder from Brembo. This new Brembo Radial Master cylinder provides a more linear supply of hydraulic pressure to the radial mounted 4-pot front brake calipers over dual 298mm front brake rotors. Comfort-focused, racing-inspired cockpit. The YZF-R7's new racing-inspired cockpit puts the rider in a comfortable and confidence-inspiring position. A new seat with materials and cushioning used in the YZF-R1 combined with new low-profile fuel tank covers with deep knee recesses gives the rider freedom to adjust positions while also providing a firmly planted feel when leaned over and under braking. Separate clip-on handlebars are set in relation to the rider's hips and foot peg positions for an aggressive position, allowing the rider to naturally grip the machine with confidence, especially when tucking behind the windscreen. New LCD instruments. The 2022 YZF-R7 features a new full LCD instrument panel. The high-contrast negative dashboard and its compact and lightweight multifunction display with larger displays for the clock, gear, trip meters and tachometer provide clear information. The use of spot color gives an accent for the high RPM range display, and new handlebar switches enable the rider to operate the meter more easily and efficiently. New LED lighting. The iconic R-Series M-shaped intake duct and twin-eye front design of the new YZF-R7 houses an adaptive bifunctional LED headlight. The R7 is also equipped with a new LED taillight and front and rear turn signals. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comments and share this video with yours friends. Thank you for watching on Marquez 86 channel, more video coming soon.